Good morning. Hi. Dogs are here. I'm here. I'm actually making my little tofu scramble that I had told you guys about, and many of you had asked about it. So this is me, unfiltered, after a workout. I just did a boot camp. I'm still sweating, still tired, but I was just about to make my tofu scramble, so I thought it would be fun to jump on and have you guys join me. So good morning. I'm Tara, in case you don't recognize me with the bangs and the makeup. Good morning, Jean. Good to see you, Jean Muker. Love you, my friend. Old family friend. Not that she's old. An older family friend. Dana, good to see you. Hey, Megan. Okay, so I'm curious if you guys have seen our spices. Our spice baby. So I was going to put together my tofu scramble, so I thought it would be cute to use all of our spices. So we have an up for anything. We have a beef it up. You guys, this is a launch. You have never seen these before, pepped up pork and poultry. And I'm so excited that we got to share them with you on temp-tations.com. So seize the day. I've been working on these for over a year. I've been cooking with them during our dinner parties. Hey, Marianne. Hey, Cheryl. Good to see you. Good morning. Good morning. Here I am. Au naturel. And I better get started because, hold please. Because this oil has been sitting here. You'll hear it sizzle in a second. So all I did really quick was I have some shallots and some garlic that I'm going to start getting in and getting going. And I'm going to actually use my up for anything. So let's see. I made burgers. Ed did not eat them, but I made burgers. Good morning, Greg. Lisa. Hey, girlfriend. I always say to Lisa, like, after we work out, I'm like, I'm just going to jump on. She's like, maybe you want to go back and shower. So today, unsupervised, because she's not here, I figured I would just jump on in. So our spices are just incredible. I have to tell you, out of all the things that I share with you, it has been a true labor of love for me coming up with the flavor profiles, all the different compounds, because a lot of times you see me cooking. By the way, I'm using my skillet that I love so much. You see me cooking and I'm throwing things together, and then it's like, how do I replicate that? Well, I actually did them in spices for you. So excited. Under $30, shipping and handling free. I really just want you to get these home and start using them. I promise you, all of the foods you've been making will just be enhanced. What Lisa and I have been saying is that it doesn't overtake the flavor. It doesn't become the flavor. It actually enhances. So we made burgers the other day. We made chicken the other day. See, this is what happens when I'm talking. All right, so here's what I did. I had some roasted cauliflower and Brussels sprouts, and I actually just put them in my blend tech. And because I like the particles to be all nice and even, right? Oh, hey, I never turned my workout off. Hold, please. That was some boot camp, I got to tell you. I'm exhausted. And I'm taking my daughter Lindsay's noon Pilates class via Zoom. I'm very excited. And then by then I think I'll be dead, so it won't matter. All right, so I think I need a little more olive oil. Boy, I gotta tell you, Lisa, it's much easier when you're here and you're keeping me on track. Not gonna lie. All right, so I thought it would be fun to add the up for anything. So this is sesame seeds, this is poppy seeds. I love this on bagels, eggs, all of that. Awesome. Oh, yay. Tracy, where are mine? temp-tations.com, free shipping and handling. And the free shipping and handling we're doing through the whole weekend. So this won't end until Monday at midnight. And the whole website itself is on flat shipping, $2.95. So you could buy huge bakeware sets and no worries. All you'd pay is $2.95. So love that. Happy Memorial Day weekend to all of you. I know it's all a little different for all of us this year, but you know what? We've decided we're going to make the best of it. Last night I had ice cream for dinner. Ed and I went to the boardwalk in Rehoboth Beach, and I got a Core Brothers twist with rainbow sprinkles. And here is my tofu that is extra firm, and I already drained it before we got on here, and I'm actually just going to, I guess you can't see, hold please. I'm just going to crumble it right into here. And then what I normally do is I start making like a mad scientist all these different flavors, but Ed actually bought a fun tikka masala which naturally I didn't get ahead of time, so I'm gonna have to run over to the pantry. A fun tikka masala sauce that he wanted me to try putting in here. And then you know what we do? We just roll it up in wraps in the morning, and it's delicious. I have to tell you, you can get the low carb wraps if you're into that, or you can get the regular wraps if you're into that. This is a judge-free zone, especially when you're making like a tofu dish. What is everybody else doing? Hello from Oklahoma. Joanne just joined. Hi, Joanne. I said, welcome to Au Natural. Right? I know. Who cares? Baby, it's the freaking weekend. Isn't that a song or something? All right, hold. Here's my pantry. Don't look, because it's not organized. Where is that sauce he said? Do-do-do-do-do. Little singing interlude. Do-do-do-do-do-do. All right, so this is called Brooklyn Deli Tikka Masala Indian Simmer Sauce. All right, let's try it. Now, I already put in my Up for Anything. I already made burgers with the Beef It Up, and I gotta tell you guys, they were outstanding. Not only can you mix it in with the meat, I put it actually on top of the meat, and it caramelized on top of it, and it was amazing. Did you ever see Jimmy Stovall sell his Corky's ribs? He always talks about the candy on top of it because it gets all crunchy and caramelized. I'm a fan. Pepped up pork and poultry. We made chicken the other night, and seize the day you sauce make the shrimp. So these are so easy to add to your kind of menu. If you've been a little, like I keep talking about food fatigue and like you're kind of just bored with the same old, this is such a nice way, the spices, to add that pop of flavor. And I know many of you have been asking for them. We've been cooking with them. A lot of our recipes are now going to be tailored with them. So come on over, join the family, pick up our spices. If you pick up nothing this weekend, I would personally be honored if you tried them and then let us know what you think about them, because like I mentioned, they've been a labor of love. MC's in the board. MC, he's like, who dat? Who dat? Usually this is how MC does get to see me, because we do impromptu coffee in the morning sometimes, where all of a sudden he'll FaceTime me and I have just finished working out. Yeah, this is my usual look. All right, so we were just talking, MC, and I know you've been using these, our spices. So we have the Up for Anything, we have the Beef It Up. This is our spice baby. Din, 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 din. Seize the day. And our pepped up pork and poultry. Ed is actually out walking Carter, which means that at any minute he could descend back on the house and it will be chaos. So just throwing that out there. All right, I want to give you guys a little sneak peek of what I've got going on here. I wonder if this will help. Hold, please. So look what we did here. So here you can see I did the cauliflower and the Brussels sprouts. I just make this up. This doesn't exist anywhere except in my brain. A little shallots and garlic in the beginning. And then Ed wanted me to try that tikka masala sauce, which I just incorporated in here. And then I have the tofu, which I already pre-drained. So I have to be honest, it's absolutely delicious. Yes, MC's been adding the Up for Anything to his omelets. And I have to tell you, sesame seeds, poppy seeds, let's just talk about them really quick, right? Here's your pepped up poultry. This is like lemon deliciousness, garlic. And here's what I love. I can read and say every ingredient. And by the way, what would you pay to go out and buy all of these ingredients at the store and then try to make it yourself? You can just pick these up. They have a little 5 little shaker top, which I love. Or you can unscrew it and of course dig right into them. Dig in. Masala is great. Joyce, I have a love affair with tikka masala. I'm not gonna lie. And there's a really great Indian restaurant around here called Raz, R-A-A-S, that we love to go to. And the owner, Chef Gigi, is the nicest man on the planet. And one night we went there with my mom. This was post social distancing, post everything. We went there for dinner and Ed really wanted a tofu dish and they didn't have one. He left the restaurant and went and bought tofu and made Ed a tofu dish. Now that is customer service. It was very, very sweet. So he's got fans for life. And whenever anybody comes to visit, we take them there. And through this whole kind of pandemic, we've tried to do takeout numerous times. We even introduced Joe and Lisa to it. After one of our not dinner parties, but one of our must-haves, we did it. All right, so Happy Saturday. Good to see everybody. I love Indian food. Yep, totally. Love your little $4.99 deals. Thank you. I could drink masala. Yes, we know, Lise. And we know you got all the ingredients from amazing resources and farms. That's right. That's what we love about it. Seen your little tub. Karen, that tub of French fries wasn't so little. I had ice cream for dinner last night. Let's have a true confession. I had ice cream for dinner last night, then came home and had a little bag of Cheetos because Ed said we already blew our diet, so we might as well. This is why I love my husband, okay? He's like my best girlfriend and my husband all wrapped up in one. He's like, oh, we already blew it. So he's eating pretzels, I'm eating cheese doodles, and hence why I've already done a boot camp, and I'm getting ready to do my daughter Lindsay's Pilates class via Zoom. So I don't know how that's going to work out, but I'll keep you guys posted. All right. Anyway. Go check out our site, temp-tations.com. Thank you for jumping in while I made my tofu. Beef it up, spice baby, $29.95 for all 4. Hello, free shipping and handling, and it doesn't go away until the end of day, Monday. Actually, all of the sales that we're running over on temp-tations.com and flat shipping, $2.95. Do you know MC bought the paper towel, the napkin holder in our nautical when it was on free shipping and handling, and the boat. Brilliant. Oh, and the servers. He's so smart. All right, everybody. Love you guys. Good to see you all. Thanks for spending some time with us. Here it is, that amazing skillet that we love. And there is my amazing tofu scramble. I don't know if it's amazing, but I call it amazing because it's delish. All right, everybody. Liz Furlong. You are gorgeous, my friend. You look amazing. She's been on an incredible journey, and she was sharing it with us on Facebook. It was great to see. Thank you guys so much. And just remember, spice baby. You can go check it out at temp-tations.com. And if you want this amazing skillet, check it out at qvc.com. We have a bunch of different colors. All right, everybody. Happy Saturday. Have a very safe Memorial Day weekend. And even if you can't be with everybody you thought you could, make it special any way you can. All right, see you guys soon. Bye.